Most people think dips are simple, but small mistakes can completely destroy muscle activation effectively. Dips are one of the most powerful exercises for building chest and triceps strength quickly. However, performing dips incorrectly can limit results and increase risk of shoulder injuries significantly. Many beginners stay too upright, which reduces chest activation and shifts tension away from muscles. Others drop too fast, losing control and removing valuable tension needed for proper muscle growth. Elbows flaring outward creates unnecessary shoulder stress and reduces triceps and chest activation significantly. Proper dip technique focuses on control, body position, and maintaining constant tension throughout movement. Leaning slightly forward increases chest activation and helps target upper body muscles more effectively. Keeping elbows at 45 degrees ensures balanced activation between chest, shoulders, and triceps muscles. Controlled movement allows your muscles to stay engaged throughout the entire repetition without losing tension. Start by gripping the bars firmly to create stability and control before beginning your dip. Tighten your core to stabilize your body and prevent unnecessary swinging during dips exercise. Lower your body slowly, taking about 3 seconds to maximize muscle tension and control. Go deep enough to stretch chest muscles, but avoid dropping too low, causing shoulder stress. Pause briefly at the bottom position to increase muscle activation and build strength faster. Push upward with control while maintaining strong tension across chest, shoulders, and triceps muscles. Avoid locking your elbows aggressively at the top to maintain continuous tension in working muscles. Always maintain a steady rhythm instead of rushing repetitions during your dips training. Common mistakes include swinging your body, which reduces muscle activation and waste energy. Half repetitions limit your range of motion and reduce effectiveness of dips exercise significantly. Losing core tension causes instability and prevents proper force transfer during the pushing movement. Correct dips activate chest, triceps, and shoulders simultaneously, building powerful upper body strength efficiently. This exercise also improves stability, coordination, and control across multiple muscle groups together. With proper technique, dips can become one of your most effective muscle-building exercises. Beginners should focus on mastering form before increasing repetitions or adding extra resistance weight.
Slow, controlled dips create more muscle tension, leading to faster strength development and growth. Explosive upward movement activates more muscle fibers, improving strength and power output effectively. Maintaining proper posture ensures your muscles work efficiently and reduces risk of injuries. Your chest muscles should feel strong contraction when performing dips with correct technique consistently. Triceps engage heavily, helping build stronger arms and improved pressing strength during workouts. Shoulders stabilize the movement, providing support and balance during each repetition performed. Focus on quality repetitions instead of chasing higher numbers without proper form control. Consistency combined with correct technique produces the best long-term strength results. Over time, dips will significantly improve your upper body strength and muscle definition. This exercise builds functional strength that transfers into real-world movements effectively. Train with intention and maintain full body tension during every dip repetition performed. Small adjustments in technique can create massive improvements in muscle activation and strength. Always prioritize proper form before increasing intensity or adding additional resistance training load. Controlled breathing also helps maintain stability and improves overall performance during dips exercise. Inhale while lowering and exhale while pushing upward to maximize strength output. Dips are simple, but mastering technique transforms them into a powerful muscle-building exercise. Many people fail to see results because they ignore proper form and muscle activation principles. Once you correct your form, dips will feel harder but deliver significantly better results. This is the difference between average training and effective muscle-building workouts. Focus on control, tension, and alignment during every repetition to maximize results efficiently. Your future strength depends on mastering basic exercises like dips with proper technique. Apply these principles consistently and your chest and triceps will grow faster. Strong dips lead to stronger overall upper body performance and improved athletic ability. Keep practicing and refining your technique to unlock your full strength potential. Subscribe now to learn more powerful fitness secrets that transform simple exercises into results.